A ticket starts in Jira. You assign it to GitHub Copilot. Copilot then picks up the work. It opens a pull request in GitHub and reports progress back into the Jira issue. Let's get it connected. Navigate to the Atlassian Marketplace. Search for the GitHub Copilot for Jira app and install it. Once the app is installed, you'll land back on the Copilot settings page in Jira. Sign in with your GitHub account, authorize the app, and now you're connected. You can see your account right here, and there's a sign out option if you ever need to switch. If your GitHub organization uses single sign-on, there's one extra step. When you select your organization, you'll see it locked behind SSO. Click Authorize, sign in with your identity provider, and you're through. This is the spot where people get stuck most often. The key thing is your SSO session needs to be active. Once you've authorized, the org shows as connected and you won't need to do this again. Now here's a nice change from the preview. Your GitHub organizations are enabled by default. You don't need to switch on each org one by one. They're already available from the moment you connect. If there's an org you'd rather exclude, you can turn it off from the space settings. Now here's a ticket that's ready to go. Assign it to Copilot, watch the ticket, and you can see Copilot working in real time. It's reading the repository, it's building a plan, and starts making changes. A comment will drop in the chat panel when the agent session kicks off in GitHub. And when it's finished, a comment on the Jira ticket lets you know the PR is ready for review. The whole thing happened without leaving Jira. While that's one way to trigger Copilot, in the next video, we'll cover all 3 ways to hand off work, including wiring it into your workflow so tickets go to Copilot automatically, and after that, how to customize the experience with space level instructions or per ticket instructions. The links are below.